Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'll be talking about a wagtail that is different to other wagtails in Sri Lanka. The forest wagtail. The forest wagtail is a medium-sized passerine bird in the wagtail family. A distinctive wagtail with diagnostic wing and breast patterns. Breeding in the temperature parts of East Asia and wintering across tropical Asia from India to Indonesia. It has a prominent whitish eyebrow with two black crescent-shaped bands on the upper breast. Lower one wider when present. Upper parts are brown-grey with greenish tinge. They are found mainly in forested habitats. It is the only wagtail species that nests in trees. Their calls are like locally named Wana Halapenda or Gomarita, meaning dung spreader. I have not seen the forest wagtail. One such place you can see them is Moon Plains in Nuwara. To get to Moon Plains, you have to first hire a safari jeep at the gate and visit through the plains to the observation desk. From this observation desk, you can see 8 of the 9 mountain tops in Sri Lanka.